Hello everyone and welcome back. Um, in today's video I'm going to show you how I posted 900 videos in 3 months, approximately 3 months. And it's approximately 900 videos. It's actually 896. It's right here. So let me show you the graph first. So in April here I posted okay. So in April, I posted 29 videos. And then in May, I posted 156 videos. That was when I refined the process of creating the videos. And then I refined and I found my influencers. Sorry, not my influencers, my freelancers. And then we wrapped up we increased the volume of videos, and we posted 238 videos in June, and then we posted 246 in July, and then 227 so far in August, and then we're gonna keep doing that. We are posting 7 videos per day since April approximately. We didn't skip a full day, but sometimes we posted like 5 videos. Sometimes we post 7 videos. That was very rare, but 99% were posting 8 videos. And lately we changed the strategy, and now we are posting 7 short form videos. Short form, I mean 1 to 3 minutes. And 1 long form. A long form is approximately 10 to 12 minutes. And we did that because we need to reach the monetization threshold for watch hours. Yeah. So this is the graph. You can see here. And it's just a volume game. So let me show you something here. Let me show you this channel. This is Trevor Nace. He's a very famous YouTuber in the like YouTube automation and niche. This guy posted 13,000 videos. 13,000 videos. He's posting videos every day since, I don't know, like 5 years, maybe 4 years. It's insane. It's insane. And he posts approximately 12 videos per day. Every day. 12 videos. Every day. And let's say Guide Realm. I'm pretty sure you've seen this guy before. He's literally everywhere. If you searched anything related to like your phone, social media, how to install this, deinstall it, he's gonna be right there. And he posted 12,000 videos. 12,000. And if you look at their views, you're like, oh, he's only got like 28 views, 52 views, 100 views. It's not much. Maybe 360, 250. It's not much. 100 here, 100 there. It's not much. It's a volume game. With YouTube automation, it's a volume. It's 100% volume game. You don't care about your subscribers. You don't care about your views. All you care about is you pump up as much content as possible. It's just a volume game. And recently I found this channel, which is Tutorial River, and he posted 5.9 k or like 5,900, 6,000 videos approximately, and he's posting videos every day, and it's a crazy amount. So there's a few ways how you can tackle this. I'm gonna show you my way, how I posted 900 videos so far in 3 months. My plan is to post 5,000 videos by the end of the year. I'm gonna try to, at least. So let me show you, not this here. Let me go back to the start. So how I posted 900 videos in 90 days, or like 3 months. I already showed you the quick introduction, and then what tools I used to find these freelancers. So for me, I used Upwork, and I used one freelancer from Fiverr. But before that, let me show you what I mean by that. the whole thing, the whole YouTube automate, my whole channel is based on tech tutorials and like how to delete a YouTube video, or how to upload this, or how to modify that, how to use Canva, how to create this. It's just a very simple, straightforward videos. No introduction. There is no call to action. Nothing. It's just a title and a video, and that's it. And the way I tackled this is by volume. I told you guys I posted 8 videos a day, and then I used one template for the thumbnails, and then I used one ChatGPT prompt to create the description, and then I used rabbit tags to create the tags, and then I will schedule all the videos on the weekend. So like 8 videos on a Monday, and then Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then I schedule the next week, and then the next week, and then the next week, and then keep doing that. Scheduling, in my opinion, is your best friend as a YouTube automation channel owner, or like faceless YouTube channel. It's your best friend, because you can schedule up to like 12, I don't know, I never tried it, but you can like 12 or maybe 13, maybe 20, 25 videos a day, if you can, of course. And you schedule it like you sit down on like for like 2 or 3 hours, and then you schedule for the full week. And that's it. It's just a set and forget. That's it. You don't look at it, you don't watch it, nothing. Just set and forget. And I check my analytics once a week. That's it. And it's been going up like crazy. So I use Upwork and I use Fiverr. Mainly Upwork. For me, Upwork, you will find a higher quality freelancers. For the videos, I pay $2 per video. Some of you will say, "Oh, that's too low." Well, I posted the job post, and people applied. So the people who applied, they have no issue with the number. So, it's good for them. It's good for me, and I pay them weekly. They deliver the videos, and then I pay them, and they deliver the videos, and then I pay them. It's that simple. Most of the freelancers I have right now, they've been with me for a long time, so I trust them. They trust me. We have a very long relationship, and it's good. It's good. I like them. Some of them from the Philippines, some of them from India, some of them from Pakistan, some of them from like Ethiopia, and there's a lot of people, and I like that. They're good people, hardworking people, intelligent people. I like them. So let me show you the job post I created. So that was recent, and you can read through it. And it's a very simple one. I just needed $2 per video, and I said 16 videos per week. And then once they're good, and I like their like momentum, and I like their quality, I will tell them, "Hey guys, do you want more videos per week?" And they will usually say yes. And for now, it's approximately it's 30 videos per week per freelancers, and they like it, and I like it, and we're doing good, and I pay them like weekly, and we're good. So these are the platforms I use to find my freelancers. I don't use freelancers to create my thumbnails. I create them myself. I don't use freelancers to create my to get my keywords or my titles. I use it myself, and I don't use a channel manager. So far, I don't. I do all this myself because it doesn't take that much. And okay, so tools I use to manage the freelancers. I use Slack. Slack is awesome. Once I talk to them on Upwork, I move them from Upwork to Slack, and then all the communications is going to be on Slack. Slack is very intuitive and it's free. And some of the freelancers I use email. I don't prefer email that much. I like Slack. So I don't use Upwork for communication. I just don't like it. Yeah. And tools I use to manage the project. So managing the project is very, very, very important, because you need to keep track of everything, especially when you have a lot of freelancers, especially when you have this volume of videos. So I use Trello, mainly Trello. Trello is awesome. And I used all of them, by the way. Monday.com, Asana, all of them. Trello is the best, and it's free. Don't pay for it. It's free. Use the free one. It's awesome. And I use Google Drive. Google Drive is to keep a backup for all the videos, and it's the main source I get my videos from my freelancers. It's awesome. It's quick. It's free. I like it. Yeah. And with Trello, I have a Trello board. And then with the Trello board, I have cards. And each card is like to do and doing, which they're going to move. The freelancers, they're going to move from to do. They will move the card, which is the video title, to doing. So I know they're doing this. And then it's done, and they will mark it as done. And then when I come and upload the video, I'm going to mark it as uploaded. And then I will take everything, and then I will archive it. And it's that simple. You keep track of everything. So when I go and open my Trello like once a week, I know like, oh, okay, this freelancer is he's falling behind on the project. So I just shoot him a text. Hey, is everything okay? Do you need help? Sometimes they need help to change the title. Sometimes they need help to increase the volume, to decrease the volume, to like extend the deadline. Yeah, and you just it's just a communication thing. You just go back and forth with them, and you just reach a common ground. Yeah. So tools I use to pay these freelancers. So at the beginning, I used Upwork itself. I don't recommend that. If you want to, go for it. It's up to you. But Upwork is a very high on fees. It's really, really high. It's not worth it. And then I switched to Wise. Wise is better for me and the freelancers themselves. Most of them from the Philippines and from India and from Pakistan and from like a lot of countries. And Wise is free. They get their full money. I pay like I think I pay $150, like $1.50 per transaction, and that's nothing. And they get their full money, and I get like $1.50. For Upwork, at some point I paid $8 fees per transaction. That's a lot, and it's gonna add up. Believe me, it's gonna add up. And I used Remitly. Remitly is good, and it's the same thing. It's free and an instant. You just pay, and they will get their money instantly. It's awesome. And I use PayPal. PayPal is also good if they have it. It's good for you. It's actually easier for you if you use PayPal, but it depends on the other end. So I use Upwork, and then I use Wise. Well, I recommend Wise actually. Wise is fantastic. Yeah. So tools I use to create the videos. So with these amount of videos, you're gonna ask like, how do I come up with all these video ideas? And it's a challenge. I'm telling you, it's actually a challenge. But once you get the hang of it, and you know what's your audience like and what do you like, and you will create a lot of videos. For me, I mass create the videos. I use vidIQ, and then I use like a seed keyword. Let's say, for example, I use ChatGPT or like Canva, and then I will create videos about this seed keyword, how to do this in Canva, how to do that in Canva, and I create like 30, 40, 50 titles, and I put them on my Trello board, and then I refine them, and I put like how to sign up for Canva 2025, and then step by step, for example, just to make it like clickable. And then I use Canva. This is for the titles. And then I use Canva to create the thumbnails, and I use Canva Pro, I think, or Plus, or I don't know what it's called, but it's cheap, and I get access to a lot of features that I need. So Canva is awesome, and I use I created like an avatar or like a character with AI. And I use it on my thumbnails, and it's a very simple, very intuitive. It's like a solid background with the picture here, and then it's all my thumbnails like how to, and then I just changed the thumbnail, the title itself, like how to, and then I use like Canva, sign up for Canva, or sign up for ChatGPT, or to delete that, or to add that. That's it. So this way I can mass produce the thumbnails. Yeah. And I use ChatGPT to create the YouTube descriptions. I have a very simple prompt, and I used a few YouTube videos. You can use these videos as like these YouTube videos here, and you can look for something yourself and use them as a template. And you tell ChatGPT, hey, create a YouTube video description and use this as a template for this title, and then you keep adding titles, and you just copy and paste. That's it. And I used rapid tags to create the tags. Again, it's a volume thing. You don't have to think about tags too much. All you have to do is just put, where's the rapid tags? I think I have it here. And then you just use, and then you put like the YouTube title here, and then you search it, you get the titles, copy, paste, that's it. Schedule, move on. That's it. It's a volume thing. It's a volume thing. You don't think about it. So when do I find time to manage all that? Like, surprisingly, it doesn't take that much. I know 900 videos, or maybe 1,000 videos, or maybe 13,000 videos is a lot. Yes, but once you get the hang of it, and once you create systems, it's pretty easy, and it doesn't take that much time. Like for me, I work a full-time job. For me, I work a full-time job. I work from like 7 to 6 every day. And this is, for me, is like a side hustle, trying to build it into a full-time thing. But for now, I don't have issues. I have a family. I do everything over the weekend. And for me, the best time for me is like Saturday, 6 a.m. to like maybe 9 a.m. I just put my headphones on, laser focused, and then I manage everything, pay the freelancers, schedule everything, create the thumbnails. If there's any comments on my videos, the other channel, and then I will just answer all these comments, and then just move on. That's it. You will find time, believe me. You will find time. And if you don't have time to manage 3, 4, 5 freelancers, one. If you don't have the money to pay these freelancers to create the videos for you, that's okay. Do them yourself. Most of these channels here, they started by creating their own videos. Trevor Nace and this guy, they are creating their own videos. They started recently to outsource. Only recently, after 13,000 videos. So it's okay. You can do that. Believe me, you can do that. So am I monetized yet after 900 videos? No, I'm not yet. I need at least 3 more months to get monetized. And most of my videos, they are ranking on the YouTube search after 2 to 3 months. So the videos I posted in April, like where is it? Here. So the 29 videos I posted in April, I'm just getting the results right now for them. And then in a few months I'm gonna get for May, and then in a few months I'm gonna get for June. So it's gonna add up. It's a volume thing. It's gonna add up. And this is the full walkthrough for it. If you guys need like a full course, how I created all the thumbnails, like bit by bit, I can do that. And how I found and how I filtered through all the freelancers, because I got a lot. At some point I posted the job post and I got like 60 proposals. It's insane. And you have to go through all of them, and you have to sift through all these people, and then you have to give them like a sample to create. It's crazy. So if you guys need that, let me know. I'll do that with no problem. I'll do that. And if you guys have any questions about like how to create these videos, like any specific question, please leave a comment. I will answer. I answer all my comments, all of them. I do that actually during my my breaks at work. It's awesome. I love that. And thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.